Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Envy 4520 series printer, and now I'm going to show you how to reconnect your printer to another Wi-Fi network, or how to connect your printer to the Wi-Fi network if you have changed the printer's location. So to do it, you just need to have the USB cable, so USB-B on the printer's side and USB-A to connect your printer to your PC. Then you need to download from the Microsoft Store if you have Windows device, and from the App Store if you have Apple device. You need to download HP Smart application. Download it and open. Unfortunately, you can't download it from the browser. Even in Microsoft device too, you can download it only from the brand store. So wait a while, then you need to add your printer to your computer. To do it, you just need to click on this add button. Then wait a while, and here you will see your HP Envy 4520 series. I have now this printer here available, as you can see, because my printer was added to my HP Smart application. So you just need to wait a while, because HP Smart application is not stable application, and you need to wait for a while to detect your printer. Then find your printer here. As you can see, I have several Envy 4520 series printers. I don't know why. 10, okay, so wait a while and click on it. Here choose advanced settings, then choose network, scroll down, here choose wireless setup wizard, click OK. And in this way we will open the network settings. Great. Wireless setup wizard, so click next. And here you will need to find the network you want to connect. Unfortunately, the one network I can connect, it's my network that I'm connected now, but I will reconnect to my Wi-Fi network. So choose the network you want to connect, then click next and enter the password from this network. In my case it's, so enter the password, click next, wait a while. And great, my printer was successfully connected to the Wi-Fi network. You can check it. If you have blue lamp under the Wi-Fi icon on your printer screen, it means that your printer was successfully connected. As you can see, the settings have been saved successfully. However, communication between the browser and the printer has been lost. So don't matter about it. So just click OK, and as you can see, web services are working, and it means that we are connected to the printer. Now you can check it. To check it, wait for it. Activation status. Okay. Oh, printer wasn't connected. Okay. Now find network here, and here you will see network address IP. So just copy it and open the browser and just enter this IP address to your browser, and as you can see, we are connected to the printer's embedded web server without HP Smart application, and it means that we are successfully connected to the Wi-Fi network. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.